This me, I am really grateful. He's our chairman, Madhu Murpanda. He's the chairman of Kotak Schools. Kotak School chairman.
School. Our school has produced 8 AIMS qualifiers, 16 AIPMT qualifiers, 16 KVPY qualifiers, 107 JEE Main and 36 JEE Advanced qualifiers, along with 37 NTSC prelims qualifiers. They are being awarded with a trophy and a bouquet as a token of love.
Here we have the proud recipient of the endowment prize sponsored by the teachers of DAV Public School Chandrasekharpur for securing the highest mark in mathematics in class 12 examination. This award is sponsored by Ms. Trupti Mahapatra, reader in mathematics, BJP College. I also request the sponsors, if present, please be on the stage. I'm afraid, sorry.
Mr. Madan Mohan Panda, Chairman of the school. Mr. Gopal Nanda, Chairman of the Kotak School. Principal Dr. Saspati, dignitaries, teachers, young friends. I feel honored to be the midst of the students of the school that has placed in the top bracket category in Standard 10 and 12 of the CBSE examinations. In Standard 8, the school is excelling over the years in the DAV Common Board examinations in the country. For the academic excellence, the school has been awarded with the pride of the DAV laurels from DAV College Managing Committee, New Delhi, for the last 7 years consecutively. Friends, I am happy to tell that after taking over as a minister in Prime Minister Modi's cabinet, this is the first public program I am attending in Odisha. I am also happy that my first public program after becoming minister, I am in the midst of the young and talented brains of my home state Odisha. Rather, I'd say I have consciously chosen to be with the young and creative generation of Odisha. Perhaps DAV Chandrasekharpur is one among the top educational institutions in the state that houses varied talents of Odisha under one roof. I am here to interact with the creative generation who are determined to scale a new heights in their career and bring glory to Odisha and the country. I have been told that the student of this institution, Shubhankar Mahapatra, became national topper with all-time record of 98.6% in CBSE standard examination in 2006. I am also happy to learn that Chef Vijat Padmini Raut also belongs to this institution. Soumya Santanayak, the student here, participated as the second from the state and the school in the International Astronomy Olympiad consecutively for 2 years and bagged medal as the youngest participant of the nation. Prior to him, Ashutosh Sahu of this school in 2003 was a participant in the event. I really feel good to be in the midst of the such talented brains and also with the faculty and management who have toiled hard to success of the institution. With all praise of your side and individual achievements, I would like to call you the young talents here along with your individual achievements. Time has come for young generation to look back at the state of the condition of your home state, Odisha, and the country at large. Accept the challenge to contribute for betterment of your fellow countrymen who are still in the bottom of the ladder of development. Yes, I belong to a privileged class of policymakers who set the policy that primarily need to be directed for betterment of a section of people who have been so far left out from the enjoying fruits of development and democracy. And democracy is close to seven decades of our independence. It is in this context that the achievement of the school need to be seen in the backdrop of human development indices as brought out by the UNDP report, particularly for our state. I am emphasizing these aspects so as to sensitize our young mind to the responsibilities that they need to be shouldered with respect to fellow citizens. We all are privileged, born into a family that can afford to give us the best education and opportunity to excel. Majority, however, are not that so lucky. UNDP report makes a reference to the Planning Commission's Tendulkar Committee report of 2009. According to this report, the poverty headcount ratio of Odisha stands at 57.2%. It is the worst among the Indian states. What is even more worrying is its impact on those who are on the margin of the society, SCs, STs and women. A family suffering from pangs of poverty can ill afford to the luxury of education, and in fact, the worst sufferer is the girl child. No wonder that in Odisha, the gap between male and female literacy is huge at 82% and 62% respectively. Such lack of education has serious repercussions in the hierarchical society like ours. Unequal access to leads to the perpetuation of inherited privileges, and it has been its own implications for ideas of citizenship, democracy and nation building. I would therefore urge the teachers and parents and enlightened students to come forward and contribute, maybe small way, towards bettering the lot of own brothers and sisters to begin with. Each student should educate at least 5 more of his neighborhood. Each 12 parents may sponsor at least one student from downtrodden section of the enable to get educated and acquire the necessary skills and earning his or livelihood. The school and its teacher may run special classes and sessions for the benefit of such students. We ought to imbibe the spirit of giving back to the very same society that are bestowed with us so many benefits. That is the only way of creating an inclusive and equitable society and developing a strong sense of nationalism. You are all a group of talented young boys and girls with dreams in the eyes and ideas in the mind, holding a transformative potential of the state, country and its people. It's not only the government but its combined contribution and hard work of the people that can change the fortune of a nation. Just remember the great old days of Odisha, the ancient Kalinga. The traders, the sadhakas of this state could dominate the entire Southeast Asia in trade and business. That could carve a niche in the world of map for Odisha and secured a place in the history that we are fondly remembering. The great Magad King Ashoka, after being defeated in Kalinga War and embraced the eternal message of truth and non-violence as pursued by Buddha, and thereafter the entire Southeast Asian countries accepted in love and respect the marks of Indian culture emerging from the soil of the great Odisha land. Just remember, Odisha is unique in the country. The vast coastline, the availability of abundant good God-gifted mineral resource, the huge surface water put Odisha one among the top states in the terms of availability of resource. That has potential to make Odisha none less than the number one state of the country. This is not platform to fix responsibility, nor do I like to blame anyone, but I have tremendous hope on the future generation who can scale new heights and bring back the past glory of Odisha. Odisha might be poor today, but time has come to grow very faster, and with the speed we can overtake everybody, and from bottom we can be at the top of the ladder. I am sure sitting here you can very well create your plot of dominate India and create a powerful space in the world map. Our forefathers had done it, we can also do. In the state, if the state could remember the hundreds of years its marine past and celebrated with the floating of toy boats, cherishing the past glory, the generation next can for the sure transformation the dream into a reality. If Jews after 100 years of exile could rebuild Israel, I am sure the past will inspire to build a strong and better future for Odisha. The young and creative generation of state has the power to do it. The only need is willpower. Thanks for inviting me in this great function. Thanks everybody. This is a prepared speech. Let me share some few words from my heart. I saw a movie few days back. I am here for two causes. Principal Satpathy invited me. I have two kids. One is studying in standard 10, one is studying in standard 5th. Due to my busy schedule, I failed to attend their functions, rituals in the schools. It pains me a lot. This is a weekend. I thought this is a good time to spend some time with my young generation of my state. Let me share. Let me see how they are preparing themselves to the future generation. I am happy, I am reassured. We can do. Number two reason, I saw a movie 2-3 days back. It's Kick. Some of friends might have saw that movie. I am here to check whether the kick in Odisha is there or not. I am assured the kick is there. Thank you. Bharat Mata Ki Jai. Vande Mataram.
Family. Here we have Madan Mohan Panda sir felicitating our chief guest of the day, Shri Dharmendra Pradhan, Honorable Minister for Petroleum and Natural Gas, with the Angavaska to board of our event, a silver jubilee memento and a pocket plant as a token of love and appreciation. Now I request our chairman sir to felicitate our guest, Shri Gopal Nanda sir,